battery. The materials you will need for this experiment are:
we need 2 cups and paper clips,
2 copper plates and some vinegar,
a sound chip and a connection wire.
So now let us move on to the steps to make the paperclip battery. Let us begin to make our paperclip battery. First, you must take the positive wire of the sound chip and put it to the copper wire. Then twist it. You can also stick it with adhesive tape. It will look like this. Then take the paper clip and put it inside. Take the black wire which is negative and put it to the paper clip. Connect it. You can also stick this with adhesive. After you have done that, you need to take a connection wire and connect one more paper clip to one more copper plate. In my copper plate, I have a hole. You can see right here. So I can easily put the wire inside the hole. After you have done that, take the paper clip and connect the other end of the connection wire. Now you are all ready to make the sound from the sound chip. Then you must take the vinegar and pour it into the 2 cups. I have got here some vinegar water which my sister will be pouring it into the glasses. Let it be 3/4. Now she is pouring it in. Let me help her. That's enough. Now let's move on to the experiment part. Friends, you can see that the glass is full of vinegar. So you must take the sound chip and put it in between the 2 glasses. And put the paper clip in one glass and the copper wire in the other glass. Now you take the connection wire which you connected the copper and the paper clip and put the copper plate into the glass where the copper plate is put. And then take the paper clip and put it where the copper plate is done. So when you put the paper clip inside, you will hear a faint noise from the sound chip. So get ready for the sound. See, you can hear it. Can you hear it? If you keep quiet, you can listen to the sound. Here you go. You can hear better sound if you put the sound chip under the glass. Isn't it awesome? Now you know that you can make a battery out of 2 paper clips, a copper wire, a copper plate, 2 copper plates, a connection wire, and a sound chip. Isn't it wonderful?
If you enjoyed the video,
Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.